So why are you only getting Apple emails? Well, as you know, there is the built-in Apple Mail app. It is marked by, or it has the icon of a blue background with a mail, envelope on it. And this is the email client from Apple. And if you're only getting emails on this app, well, there are a few reasons why this might be the case. Besides that, you can also just download any kind of third-party mail client. Personally, I use a Gmail from Google and it works great. But if you're only getting emails from the Apple one, then the issue is likely in the notification settings. So you can open up the settings app of your iPhone, head over to notifications, and find the individual apps you want to tweak. So if you have a different client like Gmail, just locate it right here and ensure that notifications are allowed. And not only that, you can also tweak the alert type if you want it to show up on the lock screen, or if you want this to be accompanied by a sound or not. So more options for you to customize and pick from. Besides that, naturally, the Apple Mail has its own settings too, and this can be turned off or on depending on your preferences, right? So you can enable it. But there are also some specific things, like obviously if you block someone, then you're not going to be notified about that specific email, or you also have some other things within the Google Gmail app, for example, where you can mark some of them emails as important, and those will be delivered as notifications, as opposed to some promotions or ads which may not receive a full notification. So there are some other things within an app as well. So let me know below in the comments if there are any more specific things that you are kind of wondering about, or if there is something specific you want to take a look at. Perhaps I might make an updated video about that. But thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe for more so you never miss another tutorial in the future.